Mistplay is only available for supported Android devices through the Google Play Store. If the app won't install, the problem is usually related to device compatibility, storage, Google Play, or your account, rather than the app itself. By the end of this video, you'll know the most common reasons Mistplay won't install, and the fastest ways to fix each one. Start by checking whether your device is compatible. Open the Google Play Store and search for Mistplay. If the install button is missing or the app is marked as unavailable, your device, Android version, or region may not meet the current requirements for the app. If the install button is available but the download never finishes, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one connection works better. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt app downloads before installation is completed. Next, make sure your phone has enough free storage. Open your device settings and check the available storage space. If your storage is almost full, delete unused apps, large files, or old downloads before trying again. Android needs free space, not only to download the app, but also to unpack and install it successfully. If storage isn't the problem, update the Google Play Store and Google Play services if updates are available. Then, restart your phone and try installing Mistplay again. A simple restart clears temporary system processes that can interfere with app installations. You should also clear the cache for the Google Play Store if downloads keep failing. Open your Android settings, go to Apps, select Google Play Store, open Storage, and clear the cache. Reopen the Play Store and try the installation again. If you're using multiple Google accounts on your phone, verify that you're downloading Mistplay with the account you normally use for Google Play. Account-related sync issues can occasionally affect app downloads and updates. If the installation still fails, look for the exact error message shown by Google Play. Messages related to compatibility, storage, or downloads point to different problems, and that information will be useful if you need additional help. Here's the quick recap. Confirm your device is supported, check your internet connection, free up storage space, update Google Play components, clear the Play Store cache, and restart your phone before trying the installation again. If Mistplay still won't install after all of those steps, contact Google Play or Mistplay support with the exact installation error and your device details. Subscribe for more quick app fixes and straightforward troubleshooting guides.